My Essilor lenses have the Crizal shield. To test it, we've hired some experts. Oh. Okay, so now let's check the lenses. The Crizal shield from Essilor. It protects from dust, from scratches, smudges, water, reflections, and UV rays. Crizal from Essilor, #1 in spectacle lenses worldwide.